this is the fit for today. My hair looks okay. For some reason this morning, my curler wasn't working the way it was supposed to. So there's that. I probably need to put some chapstick on. My lips are a little crusty. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to the airport and stuff. Let me turn my camera around to show you guys what I'm wearing. But yeah, this is my OOTD for the plane ride and for the rest of the day. So I got the forces on with my kind of chunky knit socks, and then some black like leggings, and then a white long sleeve bodysuit, and then my jacket that I love so much that I got from Tjmaxx. Then I found this hat you guys seen in my last video at Target. So I think it brings the whole look together and stuff. So I probably should make maybe some coffee or something, and maybe something to eat real quick. Gotta feed the baby, and then we should be heading out here soon. So I really like this fit. If you guys like it, let me know. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned we're going to Nebraska to our friend's wedding, so that's exciting. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to LAX.
Thank you in advance for your cooperation and understanding.
Okay, so I really didn't get much footage yesterday because I had a migraine and stuff, but we are in Nebraska for our friend's wedding, so I just figured I will record me doing a get ready with me for a wedding. I'm gonna do something super simple, like super basic, but I already did my hair. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on my makeup. I'm using my It Cosmetics dual-ended brush and then the Hollywood Flawless Filter in medium 4. And I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Don't touch, baby. I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Target. I found some cute earrings that I actually might wear today. Next, okay,
all right.
that's fine.
Okay.
I'm something. Say I do. I got some bumps on my face breaking out and stuff. Try to conceal them. The only thing is I didn't bring any powder to set my face. So I use the Joseph Colors Meet Your Hue in the shade 10 Light Concealer. And then I am taking my Persona Cosmetics brush and my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. And I'm bronze up my skin heavily. Okay, so for my brows, I use the 24-hour brow setter. I might go in the front to kind of fill them in a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips real quick, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine lip liner. I haven't used this lip liner in so long, and I forgot how pretty it was. Okay, next I have these Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. I have the shade Empowered and then Nudie. Nudie is the lightest shade, so I use that one last. Okay, so I am sitting from the window. I wasn't able to finish recording and stuff, but this is what my makeup is looking like. My skin is very glowy.
I got it now. I'm a professional now. Yeah.
So, yeah, this is without the lighting and stuff. So, hubby is getting ready. We got Bebecito already ready for the wedding and stuff. So we're super excited. Congrats to Sophia and Calvin. I'm so happy for you guys. So yeah, I'm so excited. But yeah, this is my dress. This is my dress that I'm wearing today. I'll show you a full view. You guys seen it in my other videos where I showed you guys when I first bought it and stuff. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I'll go ahead and link everything down below of what I used on my face. Like I said, everything was just pretty much basic, minimal. Like, this is what it is. I didn't even use foundation. So, yeah. And then y'all look at these earrings. I found these at Target here in Nebraska. Like, I feel like I need to go back. So I'm wearing Amazon, Tjmaxx, and then Target. And then my top, my ears are so red, but these are K Jewelers. My ears so red because I haven't worn earrings on top in a long time. So, yeah. Our room is so messy from the baby getting into everything. But, woo-wee. Look, a whole bunch of bumpies. I'm just playing. No one's dry, whatever. Bumpy.
Why look like that? You time lapsing it?
No, I'm recording. It's just the camera. Remember, this is what is this, 12? The camera's a little bit different. Oh, plus I changed the settings on it to be more almost like HD kind of.
Oh, okay.
So it's more realistic. But my question is, why are you so fine?
Cause I am. Cause I am who I said I am. So it's 5 o'clock right now. That's an hour ahead, right?
Yeah. We got little man watching Karate Kid back there. We're gonna get Starbucks and then head to the reception and eat. I think they're supposed to have food at the reception. Oh, he's going. We gotta reverse. Reverse. Cal don't know where he's going.
I can't see shit so much.
Hello, you guys. So we made it. This is my first time driving in Nebraska. Well, I actually drove last night to get back to our hotel, but we're at Tjmaxx in good old Nebraska. So let's see what they have in Tjmaxx. Oh, there's some cute jewelry. $32. These are pretty. $12.99. This cute Steve Madden. These are really pretty. $7.99. That's really pretty. These are cute too. $10 for these vases. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all my quick haul because I only got 2 things. The next store I'm gonna go to is Target because I gotta get some snacks for the plane. And then I want to see what like other jewelry they have because I bought this one the other day when we got here. This one, the first hole that I have. These were the One A Day brand for $7.99, so that's really good. So let me see where I can put my phone at because I honestly don't know where to. Just put the chair back. Yeah, I spent $21. So I've been wanting some brown like faux leather pants, and I wish they had pockets and stuff, but I found leggings. And the inside is really good material, like super soft and like kind of warm and stuff. So, and they were on sale, originally $16, and I got it for $12, so that's awesome. The brand is Jules and Leopold. That's the brand right there. But yeah, they're cute little leggings. They're brown and stuff. I had just bought some black ones. Yeah, I just bought some black ones, so it's definitely needing a brown pair. And then I found this kind of turtleneck thing. It kind of bunches up at the neck. Just your simple brown long sleeve. I just need to try it on because it's a little cut shorter. So, but normally most of my stuff is kind of like high rise and everything. So this was, pretty sure it was $7.99. Yeah, it was $7.99. And this is the brand Olivia Ray, New York. You guys, I love this brand. I buy a lot of my shirts and stuff, like a lot of basics and everything from that brand, from Tjmaxx. So yeah, next I'm gonna head to Target. So I will see you guys at Target because I gotta get snacks and check out earrings, and then I think we're gonna get a Godfather's pizza. So I think I'm doing okay on time. I think we're gonna try to leave around 12, and I think it's only 11 ? So thankfully Target is like 11 minutes from the hotel. So yeah, let me stop rambling. I'll see you guys at Target. Alright, let's go into Target. I'm gonna go straight to the jewelry section. Just straight back here. Yeah, I wanted to look at their hats. They always have the cutest hats here. They have all the fedoras. I want to get one of these next. What do you guys think? So cute. Okay, jewelry. That's cute. Okay. I love this brand so much. Oh, look how cute these are. Usually everything's like $7. Oh, that one's $20. That's expensive. I have these two-tone ones. $7.99. Some stuff on clearance. I'm not a silver girl though, so I like gold. Oh, look at these. $7.99 for a 3-pack. These are cute too, $7.99. I actually have these. These are cute. So I have these ones. They're all pretty much $7.99. These ones, I just bought these ones. So These are cute too. Oh, these are cute. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. I love this brand so much right here. Alright, we just got some food from Godfather's Pizza. This place is bomb, like so good. We used to eat at Godfather's Pizza back home in Kentucky, and I actually think they took it out, but yeah, if you guys have a Godfather's Pizza, definitely get you some food from there, get you some pizza. But I'm gonna head to the hotel. Our checkout was at 12 and it's already 12, I think. All right.